Have you noticed changes in intimacy that make you question whether something deeper is going on? Stay with me, because today we're going to uncover the truth about erectile dysfunction, why it happens, what it really means for your health, and the powerful steps you can take to restore confidence, vitality, and connection. I'm Dr. Annabel from Prime Wellness Aging Vitality, and my mission is to help you thrive as you age, not just survive. In this video, we're going to break down erectile dysfunction in a way that's honest, practical, and full of solutions you can begin today. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is when achieving or maintaining an erection becomes difficult on a consistent basis. For some men, it's occasional. For others, it's ongoing. But here's the important truth. ED is rarely just about sex. It's often a reflection of your overall health, your circulation, your hormones, your nervous system, and even your state of mind. Let's start with the body. Erections depend on healthy blood flow. When you're aroused, the brain signals blood vessels to relax, blood rushes into the penis, and the chambers fill. Over time, those blood vessels can become less flexible, particularly if you've experienced high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, or years of inactivity. Think of it like watering a garden with a stiff, narrow hose. The flow weakens, and the results aren't the same. Hormones also play a major role. Testosterone fuels desire, energy, mood, and sexual performance. From about age 30, levels naturally decline, and by later decades, they may be significantly lower. Add poor sleep, stress, excess weight, or illness, and the decline speeds up. Low testosterone doesn't just affect erections, it reduces drive, slows recovery, and dulls vitality. Then there are the pelvic floor muscles, often overlooked but essential. These small but strong muscles support erections and control. If they weaken, sustaining firmness becomes more difficult. The good news? Like any muscle, they can be trained and strengthened. But the body is only part of the story. Your mind is the most powerful sexual organ you have. Stress, anxiety, and self-pressure send your body into survival mode, pulling blood away from the pelvis. The result? Performance issues. And the more you worry, the harder it becomes. Add relationship stress or unresolved emotional weight, and intimacy naturally suffers. Your physical state and emotional state are inseparable. So how do we rebuild? The foundation is lifestyle. Movement is medicine. Walking at least 30 minutes a day improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and boosts hormones. Strength training amplifies those effects. Train your pelvic floor with simple Kegel exercises. Contract the muscles you'd use to stop urination. Hold, release, repeat. Just minutes a day can yield big improvements. Nutrition is your ally. Choose foods that open blood vessels and fight inflammation. Think leafy greens, beets, pomegranate, salmon, olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Limit processed food, excess sugar, alcohol, and fried meals. Sleep is non-negotiable. 7 to 8 hours of restorative sleep each night fuels testosterone production and deep healing. And stress must be managed through deep breathing, mindfulness, or simply slowing down daily. Even 5 minutes of calm has measurable impact. There are also medical tools available. Oral medications like Viagra and Cialis enhance blood flow when you're aroused, though they don't create desire. They're safe for many, but not all, so medical supervision matters. Shockwave therapy, a non-invasive treatment, stimulates blood vessel repair for longer-term improvements. Testosterone replacement, whether gel, patch, or injection, can restore energy and drive when carefully monitored by a professional. Supplements such as L-arginine, citrulline, Panax ginseng, maca root, and pine bark extract may provide support, but only when quality is assured and your doctor approves. And of course, counseling or sex therapy can help untangle anxiety, negative beliefs, and relationship challenges that block intimacy. What matters most is consistency. A daily rhythm creates transformation. In the morning, hydrate, move your body, and choose a protein-rich breakfast. Take 5 minutes for gratitude or breathing before rushing into the day. At midday, choose balanced foods and sneak in a walk or stretch break. In the evening, eat light, limit alcohol, unplug from screens, and connect with your partner beyond the physical. Share presence and conversation. At night, protect your sleep with a calm wind-down routine. Your hormones depend on it. Erectile dysfunction is not the end of your confidence, vitality, or relationships. It is a message from your body calling you to pay attention, to make changes, to reclaim strength and well-being. When you care for your circulation, your hormones, your muscles, your mind, and your daily habits, you not only improve erections, you unlock greater energy, deeper presence, and stronger connection in every part of life. So here's the invitation. Move every day, eat for nourishment, breathe for calm, sleep deeply, and communicate openly. And when needed, partner with medical care that supports your whole health, not just a symptom. Remember this, you are not broken, and it is not too late. At Prime Wellness Aging Vitality, we believe aging is not decline, it is opportunity, an opportunity to thrive with strength, wisdom, and connection like never before. If this message resonates, share where you're tuning in from and what first step you'll take. Subscribe for weekly guidance on aging with vitality. This is not the end, it's the beginning of your most empowered chapter.